Mutinyi w'ikominoma mwaka w'ekiruve na mirongo ibiri nenye na mangagendete okolekana ase chinsemo aonekero tobwenete kwene kibuna bali kibeta mangana nkubeka bali shikambia ase chinseme cho kwene kibuna twanyorire bunagendete watika senchira yobukiranu ne chinse chigakwira libaho kwaligana ase Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere Cynthia Kirubo kurenseme imenyerere gotorenere Wilson Makori. Mwancho Margaret Korea to chakana robot kurasenseri ya America abasomorwanire bwekero kyobora ibwensi wetrase kyama kya Republican imense America Donald Trump nikobona nyare kobaga kwira lyakoba omubui na kwane kema igaye gatiye chinyomba cyobora limense yo kumara lyakoba omubui Trump bono nigo atogiria baki chikura ubesogetie nabo kumwakira achikura senseme yona sayarireira yogo chagokora emerimo nabo gokonya kwira nebirengo byense ya America se byarenge na chinga kechecho nigamentre goteba muna nigara chekwene kyamuna abantu bense America nkwira baroboteneri bwense yabo na komenta goteba boigo muna ense America nigera chekwira na aseri bagali arenge.
Fix our borders, we're going to fix everything about our country, and we made history for a reason tonight, and the reason is going to be just that. We overcame obstacles that nobody thought possible, and it is now clear that we've achieved the most incredible political thing. Look what happened. Is this crazy? But it's a political victory that our country has never seen before, nothing like this. I want to thank the American people for the extraordinary honor of being elected your 47th president and your 45th president. And every citizen, I will fight for you, for your family, and your future. Every single day I will be fighting for you, and with every breath in my body, I will not rest until we have delivered the strong, safe, and prosperous America that our children deserve and that you deserve. This will truly be the golden age of America. That's what we have to have. This is a magnificent victory for the American people that will allow us to make America great again. And in addition to having won the battleground states of North Carolina, I love these places, Georgia, Pennsylvania, and Wisconsin.
Mumanyi oyore omuiborwa bwense yiga ya Kenya nikobona alikire mugano bwoko bwobochori asomoche o Minnesota sebunge y'abawakilishi wose House of Representatives togotikana na robot yoru abalimu abanene nikobona bagendete gutwara umusangirekano bo ime yo mochio Mombasa ase discordia rero banyara ko bagusege tugutumeka technology nya ase okwegeria aboroki wase chiskuru chabo.
We have indeed a shortage of infrastructure in a number of schools. What we've done as SEPU, we have zero rated. We have reduced the price for these kits. If we're giving it at 95,000 shillings, and we're sure that schools or head teachers can be able to access this. And we're also advising that one of the ways to be able to secure funds is to go through the CDF.
That when a child is being told you cannot be able to leave for lunch, then the child has to now sit the afternoon paper hungry, and to be able to ensure that we do what needs to be done. This program has started today. As I was getting in, I'm informed that we are doing close to 11,000 students on a daily basis, a proper meal together with water and all, and this will continue until the exams get finished, with the hope that these small things can be able to add up to the big things that we have hopes for these young people.
Wasense mende kanisa Ekeanglikana bose ACK Kenya nikobona yachakire amegerio egati yababwatani baye igoro ya kwanira mangana ya monchureri ya yerire na kwana somoroberio yo bwo kubayegeria babwatani baye nikobona batebna amegeria yo nigara chigokonya gukora okungsanana gati ye chingiti choro sana na bwigo mwanya bantu.
Lazima tukaweze kujisimamia katika mambo ya kiuchumi. Wakati mzungu alipokuwa kihubiri, alisaidia community chakula, matibabu na masomo. Hivyo kanisa lilipoondoka Muingereza likabaki kwa maskini. But through hii program baadaye kanisa lisiwe maskini.
Yale mafunzo ambayo tumefundishwa na hawa maofisa wa 5 talents yamepata kunitoa taka. Yamepata kunifanya kwamba ninahitaji kuelewa sasa kuwekeza vizuri for my future. Na vile vile hii 5 talents
ya moyo wa kuweza kufanya kama merry go round pale ili tuweze kusaidiana, ambaye anashindwa na kusave aweze kusave na ajinue.
Natuo kora kurwa sekta yechisemi ni gobana matemo a KCSE agendete asechi skuru OMNC ya Kenya aseri tukolera mwaziri bwechisemi musike migosyo gamba igemambia lero ara umorobule bwo kwena na matemo a KCSE kurwa sechabisi chomo konyi bwo commissioner bwe county ya Kajiado yo kutoka sechinsemo changong aseboigo anyara kobaka gutarire skuru ya Ololaiza eri okorotota ama kwena na kwa matemo ayo arenge gokorekana litukolya lero.